Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I am going to try to help those that are trying to come up with a logo. Logos are actually pretty simple. I thought they were hard at one point in time, but pretty much all you're looking for is like a frame. These are a couple that I was made up for myself, just messing around. But pretty much all you need is like a frame and a silhouette, and then the font that you choose is also very important. So first, let's go to Google, and I typed in silhouettes, woman silhouette. So um, I'm just gonna go down. Okay, this one actually stood out to me. These ones are not bad either. All right, I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna save that new logo. And then let's go over here and also go to Google, frame PNG, and you want it to be a clip art. Because if you just type in frame PNG, you'll have things that look more like this, which is not bad if that's something that you want to go with. But remember, your logo has to be, it has to be something that's going to be transparent and also look right on many things. So, if you did something like this, that's flower, when you go to set this, and I don't know. I just don't mess in too many colors. I like to keep it a little simple. Okay, so can you close the door for me? Thank you so much. Oh, I love you a lot. Okay, sorry. Sorry. Y'all, they be busting up in here. Okay, so let's just go to clip art frame. As you can see, it's more simple. Um, I don't know. Okay, this one looks a little, depending on the look that you're going for. Okay, I like this one. All right, so let's save this new logo too. Okay, now let's go over to our, let's add these images in here. All right, that is one. Now let's add in the other image. Okay. Y'all might not even need a frame. Like, honestly, your logo can just be a woman by herself, and you put your font, whatever your name is. But like I said, the font is very, very, very important. That okay, let's see what that is. Bam, and that could be something. I mean, it's really simple. All you're doing is putting, two things. Let me see. Group it, hold control, group. Let's save this as a picture. Save as a picture. I don't know. Diva Styles logo. Shoot. Okay. Then I'm gonna go over here to one of these chip bags. Let's insert this picture. Let's see if it is right. All right. Let's see. All right. There it is. Okay, but as you see, okay, so the woman is not transparent. Let's go back over here and ungroup this picture because she was not transparent. The words were, but she was not. So ungroup, let's click on her, format, recolor, set transparent color, and click on the white. Now you didn't see it change, but believe me, it changed. So let's go to control. Now let's group them again. Save this new picture. Save this picture. This is Now let's go back over here. As you can see how the old one showed up. Now let's insert the new one. And as you can see, it is now transparent. So let's go ahead and erase that. And what I would do with this is I would shrink it down and put it on the back of my chip bag. And also another thing, I know when I had made myself a logo like long ago, I would also change it, the color of it, to match whatever, you know, the thing was that I was doing at the time. So you can also do that as well. You know, it's just the silhouette or the outline, so it's not really gonna make that big of a difference. Yeah, that's pretty much what I would do. But okay, let's go back. Let's go back. So the frame. If you are just looking for the frame, let's go to what am I doing? Insert. My bad, y'all. Insert some text. Diva Styles. Okay, now let's see if I still have that font on here. If I remember correctly, I believe it was Monogram. Yes. Now see, that is how you get the this right here. It is the Monogram font. And this is when me and my husband, I don't know, y'all, we try to do something, but y'all, I don't trust him to do anything. So you would just put in the letter that it starts with. So let's just do B, for example. Of course, I outlined it in red. I mean pink. So, and then you just fit your frame around that, and that can also be your logo. And you can also change the color to that as well. I don't know what you would change it to, but you know, I'm just, you know, letting you guys know that you can change the color. So yeah. So it's all about choosing a frame. If you want a frame, it's all about choosing the silhouette, and be sure to be as specific as possible when doing your search. You know, silhouette, woman's face. I don't know. You know, if you just want a up close something like this, and then you want to put your logo next to it, you know, just something. Just be very specific. You know, that would be cute. It's all types of things that you can Google and look into. And then, like I said, just put your name. Your font is everything. Reason I didn't go with this, I don't know. To me, it's hard to read that font at the bottom. But make sure everything that you do is PNG. It is transparent. As you've seen, this image was not. We had to go in and physically change it. So yeah, I think this font is cute. So it's called Monogram. Yeah, if you have any questions, yeah, please feel free to ask.